Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall or delete WhatsApp from this device. So here you can see I already installed the WhatsApp. So let me show you how to delete this application from this device. For this, tap and hold the WhatsApp icon. So here you can see the option remove app. Tap on this one. Then you can see some options. If you tap on the option delete app, then it will uninstall this application from your device. If you tap on the option remove from home screen, then the WhatsApp icon will removed from the home screen and it will stayed in the app library. Otherwise, go to settings, then tap on the option general, then tap on iPhone storage, and from here you need to select the application that you want to uninstall. So here you can see the option WhatsApp. Tap on this one, tap on the option uninstall, tap on delete app. So you can see WhatsApp is uninstalled from this device. So simply in this way you can uninstall WhatsApp from this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.